It's the 2013 FourWinns 210 Horizon Signature Series. The SS. Comes with tandem axle trailer. This boat is equipped with captain's call, stereo remote at the stern, rear facing speakers, stainless steel prop, your 4-step ladder, large swim platform, this boat is equipped with a large sun pad. It does have a nice walk-through area so you're not stepping on your seats. Storage under your seats. Passenger seat is a flip seat, so you can have a spotter seat, large glove box, courtesy lighting in the interior. It does have an upgraded stereo system. Coming up to the helm, this boat ride is rated for 10 people. Stepping to the bow of the boat, more courtesy lighting, more speakers, cup holders, storage under the seats. Is equipped with an anchor locker, pop-up cleats, the cover, bow and cockpit and bimini are included. It's a 2013 FourWinns 210 Horizon SS Signature Series.